ride, ride, roll down the waterfall. Wherever it may take me, know that life won't break me. Where it comes from, I'm loving angels.
Hey everyone, I've upgraded my bare feet to some roller skates so I can get around Wellington, and I had to figure out something to do that's fun in this city. So I found myself these roller skates in a vintage second-hand shop. I think they're about 40 years old and they're really cool. Amazing how the body remembers how to do things that you did when you were little. So here we are. This is the boardwalk in Wellington around the harbour. And these boots are made for rolling. This is how we roll.
People, as they get modern and get lost in the modern things of life, that they would have the opportunity to sort of reconnect. Reconnect.
Truth is one. You can give it any name.